I am very happy to report the successful experience that I had with M&M doing my roofing complete tear-off job of both the main roof and the garage roof, and doing it in a very professional manner. But let me begin with the sales process, where I met with the sales person, Dan, and he was very professional. Not only did he give a thorough look at all of the aspects that would need attention, but he took photos of it and climbed on the roof and looked at the flashing and looked at the chimneys and looked at the points of interconnection, and then came down and in my kitchen loaded those photos into his iPad and showed me exactly what he found and what he was going to recommend, what changes he was going to recommend, which were substantial from the former installation. Much to my satisfaction, I might add. He came down, he talked about the materials, we talked about the process when the material would be delivered, and then went on to phase two. Phase two was the material delivery right on time when they said they were going to do it, followed by the next day or day and a half, with the work crew coming in. Not a small work crew, a large work crew. These guys all did their job very efficiently, very effectively. Their foreman was there. I know my son came out to discuss it, the project, while I was away, and he came away very impressed, because the foreman on the job, they're more than happy to share with him exactly what they were doing and each step that it was going to take. So it's nice to have your son supporting your decision who you're going to go with. So they accomplished it in, I believe it was 2 days, 2 solid days, and did everything from sweeping up for nails with the little thing, and cleaning up the driveway and cleaning up the area. And I was very, very satisfied with the whole operation. Now, this was all well and good, and I was very satisfied. The icing on the cake, however, was when the owner, Mike, came over, knocked on my door, and told me that he wants to check over the work that his folks did, and got on the roof and checked out everything, and that impressed me a lot. In fact, he's been in business for 30 or 40 years, I can't remember which, but having the boss come out, meet me, check out the job, and give it his stamp of approval meant a lot. And so all things considered, I can't do anything but highly recommend M&M for whatever needs you have for your roofing, whatever your roofing needs are in the future.